Overview: astrological remedies aim to harmonize planetary influences and help balance energies for success in life. Here's a broad list of remedies associated with various planets to help attract success, prosperity, and well-being. 1. Sun, Surya, power, leadership, and confidence. 2. Moon, Chandra, mind, emotions, and mental peace. 3. Mars, Mangal, courage, energy, and action. 4. Mercury, Buddh, intelligence, communication, and business. 5. Jupiter, Guru, wisdom, wealth, and growth. 6. Venus, Shukra, love, beauty, and luxuries. 7. Saturn, Shani, discipline, hard work, and patience. 8. Rahu, ambition, innovation, and transformation. 9. Ketu, spirituality, detachment, and enlightenment. Now let's discuss all of them in details. 1. Sun, Surya, power, leadership, and confidence. Purpose: the sun represents self-confidence, vitality, leadership, and authority. When well placed, it bestows success in government jobs, leadership roles, and personal growth. Mantra: chanting the Gayatri Mantra, which invokes the sun, can bring clarity, strength, and wisdom. Alternatively, chant Om Suryaya Namah 108 times every morning while facing the rising sun. Gemstone: ruby, manik. Wearing a natural ruby in a gold ring on the ring finger can enhance leadership qualities and improve one's standing in society. It's particularly beneficial if the sun is strong in your chart. Donation: donating items like wheat, jaggery, copper, or red cloth on Sundays can help neutralize malefic effects of the Sunday. These items are linked to the sun's energy and can bring prosperity. Rituals: offer water to the rising sun, Surya Arghya, by standing in a position where the sun is visible and pouring water in a steady stream while chanting mantras. Maintain good relations with father figures, teachers, and authoritative people, as the sun represents paternal figures and authority. 2. Moon, Chandra, mind, emotions, and mental peace. Purpose: the moon governs the mind, emotions, and stability. A strong moon provides mental peace and emotional balance, while a weak moon can cause mood swings and mental stress. Mantra: chant Om Chandraya Namah 108 times, especially on Mondays, to strengthen the moon. The Chandra Gayatri Mantra also enhances mental clarity and reduces emotional volatility. Gemstone: pearl, moti. Wearing a pearl set in silver on the little finger helps calm the mind and improve emotional stability, which is crucial for making sound decisions in personal and professional life. Donation: donate white items such as rice, milk, or silver on Mondays to balance emotional energies. Rituals: fasting on Mondays can strengthen the moon, helping with emotional balance and mental clarity. Engage in activities like meditation or spending time in nature, especially near water bodies, as the moon represents water and the mind. 3. Mars, Mangal, courage, energy, and action. Purpose: Mars is the planet of action, courage, and ambition. It represents physical energy, determination, and entrepreneurial spirit. A strong Mars brings confidence and success in competitive fields. Mantra: recite Om Mangalya Namah or the Mangal Gayatri Mantra 108 times on Tuesdays to enhance Mars' positive energies. This strengthens physical vitality and helps overcome obstacles. Gemstone: red coral, Munga. Wearing red coral in a gold or copper ring on the ring finger increases courage, vitality, and the ability to take decisive actions. Donation: donate red items such as lentils, jaggery, or red cloth on Tuesdays to pacify malefic Mars and enhance its positive aspects. Rituals: fast on Tuesdays, as Mars governs this day, and avoid anger and conflict during the fast. Offering prayers to Hanuman, a deity associated with Mars, can also help balance this energy. Engage in physical exercise or martial arts to channel Mars' aggressive energy into positive outlets like discipline and physical endurance. 4. Mercury, Buddh, intelligence, communication and business. Purpose: Mercury rules intellect, communication and business acumen. A strong Mercury brings success in education, business, writing and negotiations. It enhances analytical abilities and adaptability. Mantra: chant Om Budhaya Namah 108 times on Wednesdays to enhance Mercury's power. This mantra improves mental agility, memory, and communication skills. Gemstone: Emerald, Panna. Wearing an emerald on the little finger enhances intellectual capabilities, sharpens communication skills, and attracts success in business. Donation: donate green items like green gram, leafy vegetables, or stationery to enhance Mercury's positive influence. Doing this on Wednesdays strengthens the connection with Mercury. Rituals: fasting on Wednesdays helps improve concentration, intelligence, and communication. Avoid gossip and miscommunication, as Mercury governs clarity of speech. Practice mindfulness and clear thinking to align with Mercury's sharp, analytical energy. 5. Jupiter, Guru, wisdom, wealth, and growth. Purpose: Jupiter symbolizes wisdom, wealth, spirituality, and growth. A strong Jupiter brings prosperity, higher learning, and good fortune. It also governs teaching, law, and religious activities. Mantra: chant Om Brihaspatye Namah 108 times on Thursdays to invoke Jupiter's blessings. The Brihaspati Gayatri mantra is also effective for spiritual growth and wisdom. Gemstone: yellow sapphire, Ukhraj. Wearing a yellow sapphire on the index finger promotes wealth, wisdom, and success in academics, finance, and spiritual pursuits. Donation: donate yellow items like turmeric, yellow fruits, or gold on Thursdays to attract Jupiter's positive energy. Rituals: fast on Thursdays to strengthen Jupiter's influence and engage in acts of charity or spiritual study. Jupiter favors generosity, knowledge, and mentorship. Worship Lord Vishnu or engage in prayers to a respected Guru to enhance spiritual growth and attract prosperity. 6. Venus, Shukra, love, beauty, and luxuries. Purpose: Venus governs love, beauty, luxury, and creativity. A strong Venus brings success in artistic fields, romantic relationships, and the enjoyment of life's pleasures. Mantra: chant Om Shukraya Namah 108 times on Fridays to strengthen Venus. This brings harmony in relationships and enhances aesthetic senses. Gemstone: diamond or white sapphire, Hira. Wearing one of these gems on the ring finger boosts charm, attraction, and success in romantic and creative pursuits. Donation: donate white items like curd, sugar, or white clothes on Fridays to enhance Venus' positive influences. Rituals: fast on Fridays and offer prayers to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, for material prosperity and happiness. Engage in activities that promote self-care, creativity, and beauty, such as music, art, or spending time with loved ones. 7. Saturn, Shani, discipline, hard work, and patience. Purpose: Saturn represents discipline, structure, and karma. A strong Saturn rewards hard work, patience, and perseverance, while a weak Saturn can cause delays and hardships. Mantra: chant Om Sham Shaneshwaraya Namah 108 times on Saturdays. This mantra helps reduce Saturn's malefic effects and brings stability and success through consistent effort. Gemstone: blue sapphire, Neelam, or amethyst. Wearing blue sapphire on the middle finger enhances focus, discipline, and rewards hard work, but it should only be worn after proper astrological consultation. Donation: donate black sesame seeds, iron, or shoes to the needy on Saturdays to balance Saturn's tough energies. Rituals: fasting on Saturdays helps pacify Saturn's energy. Avoid unnecessary arguments and practice patience and humility. Engage in charitable acts and help the underprivileged, as Saturn rewards service and discipline. 8. Rahu: ambition, innovation, and transformation. Purpose: Rahu represents desires, materialistic pursuits, and unconventional thinking. It brings success in technology, politics, and foreign affairs when positively placed. Mantra: chant Om Rahave Namah 108 times on Saturdays to align with Rahu's energies and control its disruptive tendencies. Gemstone: Hessonite, Gold. Wearing this gem helps control Rahu's unpredictable energy and brings success in unconventional careers. Donation: donate black sesame, blankets, or mustard oil on Saturdays to pacify Rahu's malefic effects. Rituals: fasting or performing charity on Saturdays helps mitigate Rahu's negative effects. Rahu is best appeased through acts of self-control and mental discipline. 9. Ketu: spirituality, detachment, and enlightenment. Purpose: Ketu governs spiritual growth, detachment from materialism, and mystical experiences. It promotes success in spiritual pursuits and the quest for deeper knowledge. Mantra: chant Om Ketave Namah 108 times on Tuesdays to control Ketu's intense energy. This mantra helps in spiritual growth and reduces confusion. Gemstone: cat's eye, Lasunia. Wearing this gem strengthens intuition, spiritual insight, and helps deal with the unknown. Donation: donate blankets, brown items, or spiritual texts to enhance Ketu's positive effects. Rituals: meditation and spiritual practices are essential to balance Ketu's energy. Practicing detachment and seeking spiritual wisdom brings success in overcoming material struggles. Final thoughts: to maximize the effects of these remedies, it's essential to follow them with sincerity and faith. Remedies are meant to align your energy with the cosmic forces and neutralize the malefic effects of planets while enhancing their benefic effects. For personalized advice, always consult a professional astrologer who can guide you based on your specific birth chart.